Oh, hello. I'm Tom Rhodes from the Committee to Protect Journalists. It's an organization based in New York, but now I find myself starting operations here in Nairobi, and I'm sitting with one of my heroes over here, a local hero, Mohamed Olad Hassan, who happens to be visiting the town this week. But having said that, of course, there's a big need to help Somali journalists, both working on the ground in Mogadishu, but also the ones who are forced to flee, and we find them here in Nairobi. And my hope is that in the weeks ahead, I'm going to be working closely with the Somali Federation of Journalists to find ways to see how to keep you in the profession and to keep you working, but most importantly, to keep you working safely. It's hard to say, really. I mean, it's easy for me to sit here in Nairobi and to tell my friends back in Mogadishu to keep reporting and keep the story alive, but that really is the key message that we need to push ahead, is that that you're not forgotten, and also that what you're doing is so very important, particularly in these war-torn areas. I mean, for example, last year the UN referred to Somalia as the worst human catastrophe in the world, and yet there are so few people actually getting the story out, and that's why people like Mohamed and you yourselves are so important. So I guess my basic message is that even though there must be days when you really question what you're doing, I hope in my own small little way I can encourage you to keep doing it, and to know that there's other people who know that you're doing an incredibly brave job out there.
Yeah. So this is Tom from the CKJ's Committee to Protect Journalists, and he has been a friend to Somali journalists back home. Very supportive and well-respected individual within the Somali journalists in Somalia.
Sitting next to one of the most well-respected journalists in the profession in Somalia.
Thank you.
How about that?
Thank you.